జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ సాంఖ్యయోగం 38th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ టీచింగ్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ అస్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ అర్జున. కృష్ణ పరమాత్మ సేస్, హో అర్జున, perform your duty, fulfill your responsibility with an attitude of equanimity. It is like it may be pleasure or pain, it may be gain or loss, it may be victory or defeat. In the process of performing your duty, you have to take all of them as the same. You may ask, is it possible? Yes, if you know that if you do not take them as the same, you will incur sin, which will again and again put you in the same cycle of this birth and death. So naturally, if you remember that something is incurring you sin, you will stop doing that. So also, in the process of performing your duty, when you get pleasure, do not let it affect you so much. Or when you get pain, do not let it affect you too much. Whenever you are feeling boundless happy, you should immediately remember that this will incur me a sin. Then you will stop doing that. When there is a pain or defeat or loss, do not let it put you so much down. At that time, you should also again remember, if I am going so down, that will add some more sin into my account. If you keep remembering this fact, you will be able to maintain equanimity. Having this Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, let us now repeat the same words spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sukha dukhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayau tato yuddhaya యుజ్యస్వ నైవం పాపం అవాప్స్యసి. ఓం. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.